jumping robot, we started with the idea of using springs to launch it into the air. The springs seem to have the most energy. So the first thing I did was start building in SolidWorks. I tried to use as little material as possible to keep it light. Put it all together, made some adjustments, bigger wheels, kind of have a guard over the MX board so when it lands it doesn't break. Moved through a couple different designs of the legs. There's a servo kind of in the middle that releases the legs. When we see the line, the warning line with the IR sensor, it triggers the servo to release the legs and it jumps through the air.
So we started by isolating the rollers and taking apart the grip gun, so it was just the rollers. And we had that in a case, and that case was rotated by 2 servo motors, which were mounted onto a base, and the base turns on one servo motor. And basically that's how we're going to aim our gun. The gun was made like completely out of 1/4-inch acrylic. I traced each piece individually on SolidWorks and basically press fitted all the pieces together and like laser cut all the holes for the screws before I did them.
So for the line follower, first of all I used the original line follower that we built in class as kind of a basis for our design, but instead of using 1 IR sensor, we would be using 3. And so I designed the body and the IR sensor holder in SolidWorks along with wheels, and we got the gears off of the SolidWorks database. We figured that the main problem with this event is not staying online because we'd already accomplished that with our previous assignment. It would be going faster to beat out the competition.